I'm gonna record a video about me destroying my cars one by one. So let's start with the first car. Okay, so here I am with the first food car. That dude wants to kill me. Okay, thank you. Okay. Whoa, man. Yeah, okay, this is good. I'm better than this. You can see how much I have. Interesting. Let's go at the first one. Okay, that car is destroyed. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, this is the second car. It's going destroyed. Okay, that car was destroyed. Let's get the next. This is the next car. Let's go. No, what happened? Console broke. The game broke. No. The game is being mean to me. Okay, let's go break it. Oh my god, I'm so fast. Is this thing... That thing was still going. Damn. That thing just stopped now. Oh, let's go. Oh no, what is it? Don't really like that, but let's go. Let's go down. That just happened. So this car used to be free, but now it costs money. I don't know why they changed this. Okay. Oh, I saw something. Oh. Oh no! Next. This is the next one. Let's go. No! Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, I'll get the next car. That dude didn't want me to be in this game. He made me hit a 4-foot right there. What is there? Something new. Is there something new? What is this? We will go at another car. The car park. Here. Oh no. No. I swear to say I'm gonna hit. Oh look, another one. Is this a car? Yo! It's running away from me. Oh my! That egg was not good. Now where's the car egg? I wanted the car. No. 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 I'll get this. No, go. We're going. I want to save myself from this new. We're going. Oh no! Oh good God! Where? Oh, it's right there. No. Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, it ended. Now, let's go to the next car. I was gone crazy there. That was my first time going on the helicopter. I tried many times before, but I didn't have enough time. I'll just wait until it's loaded. Okay, it's loaded. Go here. Go down. Down. And where was I? I was at this car. Yeah, and then I have to go at this car. Okay. Come on. Whoa. What happened? The game broke. Oh my God. I'll come back when it's... Okay, so I'm in the game and now let's go get the car. I'll do 2 more cars. Then I'm gonna stop and then do part 2. Okay, now it works. Okay. Let's do this. It's not loaded, but no one cares. Yeah. Let's go to the car park. Front flip. Oh my God, I just landed it. Didn't even get a scar. Yeah. I got a car, but not a scar. Get it? Yeah, I'm not funny. Oh, okay, so this is what I call the car park. We just destroy our car here. Yeah, this is not the best car for this. I'm gonna go to my favorite spot. This. I love. What are you doing? What did you do? No. No. I ain't going. No, I ain't going. I ain't going. I ain't going. Yeah, so this is what happened to my car. Where am I? Oh my god. Fuck you, bitches. Damn. There goes my car. Okay, this is the last car, and then part 2. Okay. Let's go at something crazy. Go. Oh no, you know what I forgot to do? Forgot to turn the sound out. It's broken. Why broken? Why broken? The sound's broken. What? Oh. Now I know. Wait a second. Now I know. Because of this. This. That. No, what the fuck? No. Okay, good. Yes. This. Okay. Sorry for that. I still can't hear the game, but that's it. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna break the game again. Why not? I just move. Yeah. Oh, I have an idea. No, I don't. It's not gonna work. Respawn. No. Shut up. Let's go at the first one I see. So I'm gonna close my eyes. Then I'm gonna go right. I mean left. Damn, let's try that again. I'm gonna go right. What? What happened? Bro. Nah. Bitch ass nigga, why you do that? Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. No, no, he wants to kill me. Oh fuck. Oh, hallelujah. No, 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 please don't come after me. No! No, no, please, Mr. Big Fat Ass, don't come after me. Please, 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 please. Fuck. No, leave me alone. I'm gone. No, he's still coming after me. There's no way. There's no way. Come on. Try and get me now. Psych. No. I may have the chill face, but I'm not. So, yeah, bye-bye. This was part 1. Bye-bye, guys.